I'm gonna be honest with you. I really don't like to meal prep, but I also don't like having no prepped meals throughout the week. So I've came up with a perfect solution. A great macronutrient recipe that only takes about 10 minutes to make. Okay, let's get into it. When preparing a salad on the go, I love using these mason jars. A great hack is to start off with the dressing first so that it's at the bottom of the jar, and then when you're ready to eat the salad, you flip it over and the dressing goes over the whole salad. And now we're gonna put the whole salad together. So we start off with this spinach / spring mix, around 2 cups of that. Then some pepperoncinis. Then your Kalamata olives. Your cubed tofu. Your red onion. Your cucumbers. A 1/4 cup of those lupini beans. And last but not least, some pumpkin seeds. And a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. There you have it, your easy meal prepped meal. So now you know how to make this easy meal prepped meal. And also, don't forget to refrigerate these. I'll see you guys next time.